Hey everybody, what's up? This video is a little bit different coming at you. Obviously, these flowers aren't in bloom in the garden right now. The ranunculus and the tulips, those are all done. But this video is to serve as a reminder. A lot of people always ask me, hey, when do you order your ranunculus and your tulips and everything? It seems like every time I go to order, they're already sold out and I just, I don't know what to do. Well, now is the time, my friends. Lots and lots of seed suppliers are having, bulb suppliers also are having their sales right now. Their pre-order fall planting, discount sales. Now is a great time to buy the things that you want to plant this fall. This includes more specialty types of ranunculus. I've noticed some really beautiful specialty types of ranunculus this year beyond, the basic colors. And I've also noticed some really gorgeous new varieties of double tulips, which I am so eager to get my hands on. So in addition to ordering my hardy annual seeds, my biennial seeds right now, I am also ordering my ranunculus and things. Everybody always asks me, you're like, oh, what's your favorite websites, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to make a in-depth video right now. Maybe that's something I'll do in the future when I have time, but I've been really busy with work and everything. But for now, I am just putting my favorite links to my favorite websites for fall bulbs down in the description below. You can find those. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I have nothing to do with them. I'm just a person who buys from them. I'm really excited in particular about Eden Brothers. Has an insanely gorgeous mix of ranunculus corms, and if they look anything like the picture, they're going to be gorgeous. I also grabbed some really interesting ones from Longfield Gardens called Cafe, and they're kind of a mix of burgundy and yellow, which I think is really interesting. And I've also managed to snag a bunch of really, really gorgeous tulip bulbs from DutchGrown.com. Again, not a sponsored video. I'm just trying to help y'all have a pretty garden because people ask me this a lot and I thought it would be helpful. No worries if it's not. I'm sorry if it's not. Other than that, I hope that you guys are having such an amazing day. I will talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.